Comedian Bill Cosby, who has been the subject of more than a dozen sex abuse allegations over the past 2 months, will not be charged in connection with the 1974 molestation claim. Prosecutors concluded allegations that the Cosby Show star sexually molested a 15-year-old girl at the Playboy Mansion were too old and surpassed the state statute of limitations for either a felony or misdemeanor charge. The official charge evaluation document said, given that 40 years have passed since the alleged incident, prosecution is declined due to the expiration of the statute of limitations. The accuser, Judy Heath, has also sued Cosby in Los Angeles, alleging that Cosby made her drink beer before molesting her in a bedroom at the Los Angeles mansion. Cosby has yet to be charged, and the allegations against him, which date as far back as the 1960s, are too old for most criminal charges or civil complaints. Cosby's attorney, Marty Singer, has called allegations against the trailblazing African-American comedian discredited and defamatory. Cosby's wife and one of his 4 daughters have defended him in public statements over the past 2 days. The comedian, who has largely remained silent, has had 2 televised projects shelved and several stand-up performances cancelled since the numerous allegations started last month.